Two of the biggest open-weight AI video models just dropped weeks apart, MiniMax H3 and LTX 2.5. Both generate video with synced audio, both are open weights, but they are built for completely different jobs. Let's break it down fast. MiniMax H3 launched July 31st, 2026, and went open weight on Hugging Face just a few days later. It's a 33 billion parameter model that treats text, images, video, and audio as one unified input, not separate tools bolted together. The specs: up to 15 seconds clips at full 2K resolution with native stereo audio generated alongside the video, not added afterward. On independent benchmarks from artificial analysis, H3 ranks first in the world for video editing, second for text to video, and third for image to video. It's also dramatically cheaper, about the 12th the API cost of ByteDance CDance 2.5. The catch: its license blocks local use in the US, UK, Europe, and South Korea. You can still access it through the Helio app or third-party API platforms, just not self-hosted in those regions. LTX 2.5 LTX 2.5 comes from LTX, the Lightrix spinout, and launched August 13th, 2026. It's a 22 billion parameter model built on a dual stream diffusion transformer. And its standout feature is speed. It can generate a 10-second clip in about 6.8 seconds on high-end NVIDIA hardware. New in this version, native multi-shot generation, meaning it can produce multiple connected scenes with the same character, lighting, and voice in a single pass. It also ships a new diffusion video decoder for cleaner motion, a Gamma 4 based text encoder for better prompt understanding, and output up to 4K. It plugs directly into Comfy UI and is fully open weight, no regional restrictions like H3. The trade-off is licensing complexity. Any commercial use above a revenue threshold triggers paid license terms, and you cannot use it to train competing AI models. Head-to-head. So straight comparison. Resolution and audio quality, H3 tops out at 2K, LTX 2.5 goes up to 4K. Speed, LTX 2.5 wins clearly, under 7 seconds per clip. Clip length and continuity, H3 caps at 15 seconds single shot, LTX 2.5's multi-shot features lets you chain connected scenes. Cost, H3 is cheaper per generation. Availability, LTX 2.5 has no regional lookouts. H3 is currently blocked in the US, UK, Europe, and South Korea. Verdict: if you want the fastest, highest resolution output with multi-scene storytelling and no regional restrictions, LTX 2.5 is the stronger pick right now. If you are outside the excluded regions and want top-tier editing quality at a much lower cost, MiniMax H3 is hard to beat. Which one are you trying? Drop it down below in the comments. And do not forget to like the video, subscribe for more AI model breakdowns. Thanks for watching and goodbye.